Good afternoon, WestCon. I am student meteorologist Zachary Duhaime with the forecast update for the last Wednesday of September. Although it feels like the last Wednesday of July with temperatures in the 80s. Currently, we have some partly cloudy skies with mild conditions, muggy weather as well. But how long does it last? It looks like we have a big cool down coming right in time for the weekend. The first fall feeling like fall weekend we've had in the last 2 or 3 weeks here. And we're still watching the tropics with actually hurricanes still. Hurricane Maria is out there. We're going to explain what it's doing and where it's going after today. But yes, these temperatures, I'm not making these up, folks. Look at these mid-80s, 86 right now in Denver, 85 in Hartford. We're talking about 15 to 20 degrees above where they should be. We should be in the mid-60s, mid to upper 60s right now. In fact, in the dew points, it feels like closer to 90 degrees. It is the last few days of September. So we're going to have to deal with this, folks. But the good news is we have a cold front coming through in a few days. The cold front's back to the west over the Great Lakes region. It's going to be pushing through and actually help guide Hurricane Maria off the coast. Hurricane Maria is going to go just like this and not impact anyone else across the East Coast. But currently, you can see some clouds still streaming in, even into Connecticut. Danbury is right about there. And these clouds are coming from northeast to southwest as that spiral of clouds comes up from the hurricane. And again, we're not expecting any weather besides a few passing clouds from Hurricane Maria as it goes off the coast. And here's the track again, just quickly going to show this, goes away to the north and east, so not impacting any of the U.S. whatsoever. After it left some wind damage, I believe, to the Carolina coastline, but overall, not a big storm, and it's not impacting us. So that's the good news of this forecast. Could be a little spot shower Saturday morning, Saturday afternoon. The timing's uncertain at this point, but cannot rule out a spot shower at some point on Saturday. But the big story about Saturday won't be the chance for a shower too, which again is only a few chances, so I'm not expecting a washout. But here, what's the big talk's going to be about, look at this chill, guys. We're only talking about highs in the mid-60s, even upper 50s, potentially modeled for the Northwest Hills come day on Saturday. So we're talking about a 20-degree difference from just a few days earlier, which will be today, near 90, Saturday in the mid-60s. So a big fall-like pattern change coming. But the question is, how long does it last? Right now, it looks like the pattern kind of reverses back into the mild pattern by this time next week as a big ridge builds in. So likely the cool blast this weekend, which is actually pretty much where we should be, likely be retreats, and a warmer pattern likely comes back around this time next week. Tonight's forecast, low to mid-60s, mild. Could be some sprinkles or fog late or about after midnight. So expect maybe a rough morning commute like we've seen the past mornings for your day on Friday, or Thursday, I should say. But overall, not a bad day. Cooler, though, with temperatures near 74 degrees. Also, that north wind, so it's going to be a cooler wind, a less humid wind, so definitely a little bit more fall-like. And this 5-day forecast is everything fall-like with temperatures only in the mid-60s by Saturdays, lows in the 40s, even the upper 30s by Sunday night, Monday morning. Again, could be spot shower on Saturday, but overall, expect a million dry day and a fall-like week expected, but warmer temperatures likely as you enter the part of next week. Thanks for watching. I'm student meteorologist Zachary Duhaime. Have a great rest of your day.